I'm Jeff with InspectorPrime. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your company profile when you're first configuring your InspectorPrime Office database. This is a pretty quick but nonetheless very important step in the initial configuration of your system. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so first and foremost, we want to make sure that we're in our interface view, which is what you see on the screen. If for some reason you find yourself in the data view, all you need to do is go up to the top and hit Interfaces. Click Open, and now you're back in the Interfaces view. So now we're going to go down to the Company Profile section, and we click on the tile to open the record. And now we just follow the instructions on the screen here. You update the company name, upload a company logo if you have one, as well as fill out the company profile. If for some reason you exit out of this view before you're done, don't worry. Airtable automatically saves the field information as you're putting it in, so you can just click on the tile and you'll be right where you left off. With that, that is how you update your company profile. So thank you for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks as always for being an InspectorPrime customer.